All stunts performed in this video were performed by trained professionals in a closed area. Do not attempt at home or in any public area.
My name is Branson Borg, and this is the 2020 Hellcat Redeye. Deal with it.
In 2018, Dodge unveiled the brand new Dodge SRT Demon. With a power output of 808 horsepower on pump gas and 840 on race fuel that can do a wheelie on the drag strip, this was a car to be reckoned with. Limited to 3,300 units, all manufactured in the span of 1 year, this was the peak of Dodge's performance, but was limited to so many units. Come 2019, Dodge unveiled what they called their demon-possessed Hellcat, the Dodge SRT Hellcat Redeye. And this was their answer to the ever-expanding demand for a replacement for the Demon.
Finished in this indigo blue with this aggressive wide body package, this car has such a presence and it's so menacing to look at, and it demands your attention. This is the very famous Supercharged V8. It's been used in the Demon, and now it's in this Redeye. With 797 horsepower and 707 pound-feet of torque, this can hit 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds on a prepped surface, with a quarter-mile time of 10.8 seconds at 136 miles an hour. And the crazy top speed of this car is 203 miles per hour.
Entering the Redeye's cockpit, we're graced with the same interior included with every Challenger, but in a way, it's comforting and inviting with how much room there is inside for the driver, the passenger, and the rear seats. You get your analog gauges, which go up to a max mile per hour of 220 with a max rev range of 6,500 RPM. The gauges to me have a nice American muscle design to them, and I think they just tie in well with the rest of the theme of the car. Next to it is the 8.8-inch display, which holds all the features such as their Uconnect system for Bluetooth to their performance pages, but we'll get to that in a moment. Below we have our climate controls and then our performance buttons such as launch control and screen off so then you don't get distracted. And if you at home have spotted it yet, we are given that one special button that can control all the power of this car, the SRT button. To me, this is one of the most well-known buttons in all the car community. And when you press this button, it opens up the performance pages on the infotainment screen that allow us to control all the features of the car, such as the driving modes, the engine horsepower, the suspension, and even the stiffness of the steering wheel.
With a starting MSRP of $78,000, this is a powerhouse to be reckoned with on the drag strip. While most of its competitors to move of the track performance, Dodge is stuck true with the American performance, and especially that quarter mile in 10.8 seconds. No stock car, let alone any modified car, can really beat this car.
The seats are very nice and plush, featuring this suede front with the nice SRT embroidery and leather covering the back part of the seat. One of the nice options that Dodge provides is the ability to purchase these red demonic seat belts. While they're minimal, they do add to the interior and they just remind you of how insane this car is.
With all this horsepower, this car kind of needs some form of downforce, and so Dodge decided to recreate their small little lip spoiler they have on this truck for this brand new performance spoiler. For $1,000, you get this nice design spoiler that curves around the edges of the car, and it goes over the back, and I think it's just a great addition to this wide body.
And with all Hellcat and Hellcat variants, there are the two different colored keys, the black and the red key. The black key only unlocks a certain amount of horsepower up to 500 horsepower in the car, while the red key unlocks the full 797 horsepower potential that this car has to offer. Now let's get into this monster and take it onto the street.
This is, I can still smell the tires.
Yeah, that was from earlier. I know, right?
Crazy, yeah.
I'll give you a Supercharged kick.
That's dope!
Yeah, here, I'll double check.
Oh my god.
Used about 650 then. You still had 100 extra you didn't touch.
And I was like, oh shit, oh shit.
Yeah, exactly.
Got a little...
Exactly.
That's crazy. It is awesome. I had such a blast driving this. I think it's one of the best cars that Dodge has ever created, let alone a lot of the manufacturers out today. It loses traction, but you have fun, and I think it's just a great car. If you like what you saw and you guys want to see more, hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notifications so you get notified when I post new videos. And please go like this video and comment, what other cars you want to see get reviewed or what you thought of the new Hellcat. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Good.
That's all, dude.
Hey, thank you. I want to say thank you. This man right here.
We out.
We are. That's right. That's right.
Scary.
That's right. That's right.
All right, gentlemen.
Take care. Have a great night.
Good night. Hey,
That was awesome.